What he's done with these comments is set us back years of work people have done in treating people with substance use problems with dignity and respect and dealing with the stigma.
Jessica Holtzbaum, a harm reduction advocate, is talking about this.
Facilitating addiction is not a way out of addiction. At the end of the day, you can't get out of addiction while still being on drugs.
Comments made by Premier Jason Kenney on supervised consumption sites. On Saturday, the UCP government announced plans to provide up to $4.3 million per year to treatment spaces in Alberta as a way to address the province's drug addiction crisis.
The notion that compassion simply consists of giving somebody a needle to inject themselves with something that could kill them, I think is misplaced.
People think that us advocates are just all about harm reduction and having people have a safe place to use drugs. That's not what it's about. It's about creating a safe place for people, really pushing that continuum of care that will get us out of this crisis.
Jessica lost her brother to a fentanyl overdose 4 years ago. Since then, she has dedicated her time to educating others and ending the stigma around addiction. Saturday's announcement from the government was met with mixed reaction.
Having treatment for those that will do well with abstinence space is great, but if we're not doing everything we can and using all the tools in our toolbox to address this, we're going to see the death toll continue to rise.
The Premier has been outspoken when it comes to the investment that the previous NDP government made into supervised injection sites, just like this one. Now, just last month, he said that some of these sites could be relocated or closed, a decision Jessica says would be a mistake.
What basically the supervised consumption sites are doing are keeping people alive until we have more programs in place that can help them.
Well, he said for now there is still a role for harm reduction sites. He believes the focus should be on detox and treatment. Much like drug addiction, however, Jessica says the solution to this problem is complex.
We're looking at leaving a big population of people behind in the dust because they are not going to be able to conform.
In Calgary, Allie Miller, City News.